Get into a comfortable position where your body can relax. Take a slow, deep breath in, and on the out-breath, release all the tension in your body. Now allow these affirmations to become your own as you repeat them with me. God Himself is the one who heals me. God Himself is the one who heals me. God Himself is the one who heals me. The Lord restores me to health and heals my wounds. The Lord restores me to health and heals my wounds. The Lord restores me to health and heals my wounds. By His wounds I am healed. By His wounds I am healed. By His wounds I am healed. The Lord heals all my diseases. The Lord heals all my diseases. The Lord heals all my diseases. God strengthens and upholds me. God strengthens and upholds me. God strengthens and upholds me. I use wise words to speak healing. I use wise words to speak healing. I use wise words to speak healing. A joyful heart is good medicine. A joyful heart is good medicine. A joyful heart is good medicine. Thank you for listening and affirming today. May you experience the healing and wholeness that God desires for you today.